So we're going to talk about our new sew-alongs that we've just released, and the first one we have is the Paisley tile quilt, which is just here. Silvana made this one, designed and digitized this one, so she's going to tell you a bit about it. It's a really beautiful quilt.
Yeah, so this design comes in the 4x4, 5x5, 6x6, 7x7 and 8x8. There's two different blocks included. It's inspired by Paisley, which when I was looking up researching, this shape here is called the boater. I think I'm saying that right, and it's used for a lot of cultures. Yeah, and I just wanted to make something really pretty. I've done this tile-like design. There's lots of different layouts you can do for this. You can just keep doing this layout and repeat, and it's kind of like a scallop shape, or what we've done is rotated them around like to make this kind of shape. And what we've done here as well, we've used like a white fabric with white thread, which looks really pretty, and it really makes the other shapes pop. You don't have to do that either, so if you filled that in, you'd make another pattern completely. Yeah, it's really fun. So really lots of layouts you can do for that one. Oh yeah, and if you join this sew along this month, you can get 30% off this design and enter the monthly competition. And we've also got a video tutorial up on YouTube, and this sew along will run from now to the 28th of April.
Yeah, so if you go to our April sew along group, and you might already be a member in that group, but to get the code for the discount code for this design, it is valid for the duration of the sew along. So you'll be able to get the code between the 4th and the 28th of April. The code will be in the featured post, so you just have to look in the featured post, and that's where you'll find the code. But this is a beautiful design, and as Silvana said, it can be made many different ways. I guess even if you rotate the blocks another way, it'll look completely different as well. So this is our Paisley tile quilt. It's our sew along, and you can shop this at sweetpea.com. So this is our Reverse Applique Memories cushion. Emma has designed and digitized this cushion. It's so beautiful. We have just used some beautiful fabrics in our windows, but this is designed for you to be able to personalize it. You can put some photos of your grandkids, some photos of your kids, pets, anything you love really, and you want to just have on display. It's just a nice way to display some memories that's not in a photo frame or on the wall. So this design comes in 4x4, 5x5, 6x6, 7x7 and 8x8. As I said, it's our April Kiss, so you can join our April Kiss Sew Along Facebook group. There's also, as with the other sew along, a 30% discount code that will run for the duration of this sew along. So this design has been released on the 6th, and it will run for the entire month after that. For that duration of this being released, you can get a 30% discount code that's in the Facebook group. As I said with the other design, it's located in the featured post. So if you're in the group and you want to find the code, that's where you can get it. And you can also get the design on sweetpea.com.